Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick, honest comparison between the Vivo V70 5G and the Vivo V80 5G. Both look premium, but the V80 5G feels slightly more refined with slimmer bezels and a brighter AMOLED display. Under the hood, the V80 5G gets a newer chipset, so multitasking and gaming are noticeably smoother compared to the V70. Camera-wise, both are solid, but the V80 adds better low-light processing and more natural skin tones. Battery life is similar, though the V70 still holds its own with reliable all-day usage and fast charging support. So which one wins? If you want better performance and camera tuning, the V80 5G takes the crown, but the V70 5G remains a solid budget-friendly option. That's it for this quick comparison. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns just like this. See you in the next one. Stay tuned for more smartphone comparisons and honest reviews soon, guys.